In this division problem, we're going to divide a polynomial now by another polynomial. It has more than one term, so it's going to have to be treated differently, and we're going to use a technique very similar to long division. So we're going to rewrite this problem as 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 divided by x plus 1. And when you use long division for this problem, we're going to look at the first term of the divisor, x, and divide it into the first term of the polynomial. So we have to take x into 2x squared, or ask yourself, x times what is 2x squared? And that will be 2x. So the first part of our quotient is 2x. Now take that 2x and multiply the entire divisor. So 2x times x is 2x squared, and 2x times 1 is 2x. Now in long division at this point we need to subtract, so change signs. These terms add to 0. We have negative 5x minus 5. Now again, x multiplied by what gives you negative 5x, and that will be minus 5. Now minus 5 times x is negative 5x, and negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Subtract, change signs, and there's a remainder of 0. So the answer, or the quotient, will be 2x minus 5. Now the next example is going to be slightly different. And what's different about this problem is there's no x squared term, which means when we rewrite this problem as long division, we're going to have to use 0 as a placeholder to make room for x squared. So what I mean by that is we will have 12x to the third plus 0x squared plus 3x minus 8, all of this divided by 2x plus 3. We haven't changed the problem because 0 times x squared is 0. So we're going to look at 2x and the 12x to the third. So 2x times 6x squared will give us 12x to the third. So the first part of the quotient is 6x squared. Now take 6x squared times 2x for 12x to the third, and now 6x squared times 3 will be a positive 18x squared. And you see we had to have a space or a column for x squared terms. You can only combine like terms. So subtracting, change signs. These terms add up to 0, and we're left with negative 18x squared. Now bring down the positive 3x, and again you're going to look at 2x, and now negative 18x squared. So 2x times a negative 9x will give us the negative 18x squared. So negative 9x times 2x is negative 18x squared, and the negative 9x times 3 gives you a negative 27x. Subtract, change signs. These terms add up to 0, and we're left with 30x. Bring down the minus 8. Again, 2x times 15 will give us 30x. So we'll have plus 15. 15 times 2x is our 30x. And then 15 times 3 is 45. Subtract, change signs, and we're left with a negative 53. So the final answer will be 6x squared minus 9x plus 15. Then you need to add your remainder, negative 53, over the divisor 2x plus 3.